a beautiful day. Yes, it is. I've got my sailboat, and it can't wait for me today. There's gonna be a party way down on the Chesapeake Bay. And I've worked hard all week, and now it's time to rest my feet. And I've been thinking about this all week, and I've got this feeling, 'cause I want to go sailing. Yes, I do. I want to go sailing. Everybody should try it at least once. Well, I've got the wind in my eyes. The sun is blinking me blind, but I can see anyway. I got my special sunglasses on. Ooh, the sailboat is sailing so proud, and everybody's singing and shouting out loud. That's the Panama band is playing, and there's Lindey dancing on the deck. These are memories that we will never forget. I know I won't. Yes, it's a feeling. I want to go sailing. I want to go sailing. All I miss the water when it's so nice. I don't like no power boats. I don't like the smell of the gas or smoke. When you fill them up, it breaks your pocketbook. I don't stick to my sailboat. I want to go sailing. Oh, what a beautiful day. I want to go sailing. myself a Mai Tai. Or maybe go down to St. Michael's and grab myself a lawn chair.